Tickeron screener that combines technical and fundamental analysis to predict movement in the market allows making better trade decisions without spending hours on tiresome research. And I will demonstrate how exactly. Screener's algorithm gathers insights on how securities behaved in the past, and doing so can help to calculate odds of the security doing something similar in the future. As a big fan of moving average and MACD indicators, I can now easily find only those stocks that have a fresh bullish signal. And here we go. All of the stocks presented here have at least two bullish signals, MACD and moving average. Now, I will select only those stocks that have the highest odds of success ranking for the moving average indicator. And from this list, I will select Adapt Health Corporation, as it has not only bullish MACD and moving average indicators, but Arun, Momentum, and Stochastic, which makes up 5 bullish indicators, and that is perfect. The second one is going to be X Biotech, as this stock is currently oversold, which is a buy opportunity as well. And the third option is going to be TTM Technologies. And the cool thing about Tickeron is that using pattern search engine, we can now confirm the bullish signal with a bullish pattern, and we can get an entry price and the target price, and that's all we need. So clearly, from the list of selected stocks, TTMI has the freshest bullish pattern formation as of July the 2nd, and notice that there are 2 bullish patterns for TTMI. Click on the one with the highest confidence to get an entry price and the target price. So this is how you can find best bullish signals with the help of the artificial intelligence. And if you prefer, let's say, RSI over MACD and momentum over moving average, use odds and ratings to create your own unique filter to find stocks to trade.